so I was saying before this super rude camera of mine interrupted my video. It's gone off like 1 million times. Shows I need to buy a new one. Okay guys, so welcome back to Supu. You're here in my kitchen. Actually also in my first video I said there was something exciting I was doing. I was going for an omugwo. Omugwo is a sort of culture, or obro is so omugwo bo menala na libo ebe nwani monwa mama ya mobune chefu ya nyele aka wobuli sin inete nwa inete kuma nwani no nwe. My cousin had a baby about a month or 2 months ago, and mom's not here, so I decided that I would do the wonderful honor of doing her omugwo. I'm gonna go do the omugwo for her. I've never done it before, and doing omugwo means, I mean, it's gonna be, I'm only gonna spend one night. She lives about 4 or 5 hours away, so we're gonna drive out to hers tomorrow morning, spend the night, and come back. Well, we'll leave her around about 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock tomorrow. So the plan is that I'm going to get as much as I can get. I live closer to London. She lives more up north. I live closer to London, but as much as I can lay my hands on that will feel like omugwo for her. That's the plan today. So, anyway, so the first thing before I get anything, Bebe, call Ngozi Bafiam, and I call her Bebe. When my mom came here, when I had a baby 2 months ago, my mother brought me something. She brought, can you hear me? I don't know if anybody recognizes it. Even mommy calls it black thing. I don't know. You know, does anyone know what this is? I think it's called Oda. It might be a bit too late, because normally when a lady has a baby, mom comes and makes some soup, fish soup with this, like, let's say within 1-2 days. And something I've heard about this black thing is that it helps the uterus to contract. I don't know if it's true, but you know, it's many times when we hear these things, it is true. So Amarom my mom said mona uda nwa di na kitchen gi anwakwa na anwa lie ya maka na o na-eme ka afime bako. I did say that right. Mommy says that it makes the uterus contract, so that's why it's given after a woman has had her baby, because then when you give it after a woman has had her baby, it will help the womb to contract and go back so that she can get back into shape. That's the plan. Okay. So I'm going to take this to her as a special present, but she's also asked me to go to Mafia. She has sent me on errand already, so she knows her stuff. Awesome, I'm going to get popcorn. So I went to Costco. We have a Costco close to us. We got the popcorn. I'm guessing, you know, popcorn, corn is oka. Pop, ibaba. So oka na baba. That's what I decided to call this. And I also bought her some Pampers. I know she's got loads, but it's just a tradition. It's something that I like to do. Every time I go to see someone who has a baby, I buy them a pack of Pampers, you know, just to say, man, I understand. I know what you're going to be doing, cleaning them bums. So this is what you need to help you do it even better. Anyway, so that's the plan. Echikitano unu ga-eso m fụ ka anyị ga-esi kwado. Onwekwana ihe na kwado no so mburu ụmụ ihe a buga bie. Ọ chọrọ ka m na ya sie nri. Anyị ga-esi ihe niile. She wants us to bake a cake. She wants us to make meat pie. She wants me to make her hair. She wants me to bathe the baby. She doesn't know that I don't know how to bathe a brand new baby, but when we get there, I will begin to expose my self-sufficiency to her. Everybody's awake now. The children are downstairs having breakfast. But there are a few things I need to gather up from the house in preparation for my trip up north. Also can get sick kwadobe. Ngabada kitanu sa ahu. Mesia kwado yiri akwa. Anya gaba. I think I got ebe 10. Ebe elekere iri. 10 o'clock is elekere iri. That's elekere hour. 10 is iri. So the 10th hour, elekere iri. So I got ebe elekere iri. Kai we magobe. Kanye je fungoze na ndibia. Anyway, This is just a brief snapshot. So you will see me when I get downstairs in bed. Okay, so guys, can you see me? Yes, you can. Again, yeah, I'm looking a bit like an umweke with this thing here in my head, but I shall sort it out. Anyway, so I get you weapon. Yeah, that's my suitcase. We're going up north with, and it looks like I've packed for, it's just one night, but it looks like I've packed for a month, you know. This is my special bag of all things, everything. I have it anywhere I'm going to. I take it with me. It's always in my car. And it's got my book of all things Igbo, my pencils, the things for painting. And these are stuff for baby. I've made some sandwiches.
I like this one.
So we are ready to set up. I know how to say poketa. Sandwiches. I chopped agoma has sandwiches in Igbo. And all achicha awai. Achicha awai. More fun, mama. Achicha awai. So I've made some sandwiches for the journey, and we'll be packing all these up. I'll be packing all these up. Be packing all these up. Some food for the journey. What's the idea? Where I do my cap. We keep Thanos or Ketano, Hechetana, Ago Nagoha, or Naga, your mammy. So, to find a pocket. I have a Baba, your mammy. Sammy, stop it, please. Okay, that's me showing my really cross face. Omogo. Otosi okwani boat. Obro, amam na omenala na sino newani nije. I'm not my sister's mother, but I am going to do the omugo whether she likes it or yes. So, onye obona mweki omugo. Digging mweki omugo. So, what I'm trying to say is that if mama is not close by or is not there, anybody can do your omugo for you. Your friends can do your omugo. What matters is the thoughts. It's the thoughts that count. For someone to come and say, I'm going to spend my time taking care of you, I think it's such a special thing. So let us continue to enjoy. Until then, it's to you guys, catch you phone. Nah, super.